Hello everyone, so I'm back for another video on my channel. So last time I did this video, since like maybe a month ago, how to make a perfect sandwich, part 1, was the ham, cheese, pickle sandwich. This time, it's part 2. Before I go any further with the video, across Canada, America, Europe, if you need to subscribe, also push the bell to watch my videos, and let's do part 2 of a how to make a perfect bun on a sausage, ham, and pickles. Let's start. So first of all is the mustard. And I'm not showing the brand because I don't want to get, you know what. And now that's done. See? And now for the sausage. This is already pre-cut since last night before I went to bed. And also before I eat my Tim Hortons. And here comes the cheese. Now the pickles. Not so you make a, without making a mess with it. This is a sausage, cheese, pickle in a bun. I usually do this, squeeze down, and then after that, the side of chips. And that's my lunch. Before I finish, hang on. Last time I did the video, I forgot to accidentally bite into my sandwich since last time. And you over here. Yes. I'm gonna chow down to my bun. And here's the other. Sorry about the chewing part. This is sausage, cheese, pickle, bun with barbecue chips on the side. And that's it for the video. Just pour a little bit. So that's it for the video. How to make a perfect bun in a sausage, pickle, cheese with chips on the side. And alright. Sorry guys, I got my dog here just yelping. Anyways, before I go, subscribe if you're new to subscribe, push the bell, watch my videos, and give it a like, nice comment, not hate you, but cares about that stuff, is no hate. And also, leave a comment on my comment section. And before I go, live long and prosper. Bye everyone. Hey, no. Sorry about that. My dog wants my food. But he can't. He's a dog. He has his own dog food. That's it for the video. And again, live long and prosper. Bye everyone.